about company itself, about people who are behind the company, about the plans of company for 2022. And I will appreciate a lot if you share this information to all your people, because really the situation is great. Company working, developing, and we have even more perspectives. No need to worry at all. But people cannot just stay calm. They need to have knowledge. And today we will give them all the information.
या आज की मीटिंग में ओल्गा जी जो है वो पूरा का पूरा कंपनी के बारे में पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन देगी कि कंपनी के पीछे कौन है, कौन कौन इस कंपनी को ऑपरेट करते हैं, ताकि हम जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम यहाँ पर प्राप्त करेंगे वो सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो हम लोग हमारे लोगों के साथ में शेयर करें, ताकि कोई भी मिसकंसेप्शन ना हो, कोई भी गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन लोगों के पास ना जाए. सो वी वांट एवरीबॉडी टू लर्न हियर एंड देन शेयर द सेम थिंग विद आवर टीम मेंबर्स. यस, थैंक यू.
So how happened this technical? This is definitely technical issue. It is not a problem. And how this issue happened? What is going on now? I think some of you already know the situation. Maybe for somebody something will be new. So shortly I will tell about it. You know that today you have all your money when you are earning with AI marketing. You are doing your money, and you can see your money in left corner. There is a green card, and on the green card you can see all your cashback. If you want to cash it out, to take money from the system, you can send it to crypto wallet, to electronic wallet, or to bank cards. The bank cards were not available in all countries, but even in these countries, me personally, now I am living in Cyprus, but I was born in Russia, and so I will share to you information about different countries, because I have my partner more than 19 countries. So what we had before we had the need to transfer our cashback from green card, our AI account, to some bank card, and it had some questions.
अभी जो हमको सभी लोगों को पता है कि जब भी हमारा अकाउंट हम लोग ओपन करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हमको एक ग्रीन कलर का कार्ड दिखाई देता है जो हमारा कैशबैक का कार्ड है. और जब भी हम ये $50 का टॉपअप करते हैं या जो भी विड्रॉल हम कैशबैक जो हमारा आता है वो अमाउंट जो है वो हमारे किसी अकाउंट में जब ट्रांसफ़र करना होता है तो हमको बैंक के कार्ड के अंदर हमको डिपॉजिट करना होता है. उसके बाद में फिर ये अलग अलग बैंकों में जाना होता है. तो थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल इश्यूज अभी चल रहे हैं देर आर, और उसके ऊपर कंपनी काम कर रही है. सो वेरी सून वो प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगे. और मैडम का जो बिजनेस चल रहा है, उनके जो पार्टनर्स हैं वो टोटल 19 कंट्रीज़ के अंदर उनके जो बिजनेस सबॉर्डिनेट्स हैं वो उनके साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. यस.
So, what questions we had before? If you transfer money from AI account to your bank card, first of all, you need to wait 24 hours. When situation is normal, they do it in 24 hours. The next thing, when you transfer money from the account to card, you need to pay commission, $3. Okay, $3, it is not a big commission, but anyway, it was in the system. And the third thing, that your bank can ask you questions. What is the income? What is the source of income? Where money are coming from? So all these questions will disappear when the company AI Marketing will create its own cards. And you will have a green card, a real plastic one in your hands, and on the balance of this card, you will have the same money which you have in your cashback. Immediately, it is on your plastic card. And by this plastic card, you can go to where you want, to different shops, to different restaurants, buy air tickets, all what you want. So no need to transfer from AI Marketing to your card. It is immediately there. For this reason, AI Marketing decided to issue own cards, and for this, they signed agreement with the two biggest payment providers, Visa and MasterCard. I am sure you know about Visa and MasterCard, that these are global companies. And now they signed contract between Visa and MasterCard and AI Marketing that they will issue cards together.
आप सभी लोगों को पता है कि जो वीज़ा कार्ड जो हमारा बैंक AI मार्केटिंग का जो कैश कार्ड है वहाँ से पेमेंट हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में लेने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत होती है. और जो विड्रॉल जब हम लेते हैं तो विड्रॉल के लिए जो है वो $2 का $3 का जो फीस लगता है, तो वो फीस वैसे देखा जाएगा तो वो बहुत ही मामूली है, लेकिन उसमें कम से कम 24 to 48 आवर्स का समय लगता है। तो ये सब बचाने के लिए कंपनी ने 2 बड़े जायंट्स के साथ में टाई अप किया है, एक तो वीज़ा और दूसरा जो है मास्टर कार्ड। तो आप सभी लोगों को पता है वीज़ा और मास्टर कार्ड ये बहुत बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज है, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है, और पूरे वर्ल्ड में इनका बिजनेस चलता है इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया। तो ये जो कंपनीज के साथ में ऑलरेडी कंपनी ने टाई अप कर चुके हैं, उनके साथ में एग्रीमेंट्स बना चुके हैं, तो इससे फ़ायदा ये होगा कि ये जो भी पैसा आपके AI मार्ट जो आपके वेबसाइट के ऊपर जो कार्ड है, उस कार्ड के ऊपर जो भी पैसा है, वो पैसा आपके फिजिकल कार्ड के ऊपर आएगा। जो भी आप कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, तो ये कार्ड जब आपके पास मिलेगा, तो इस कार्ड के माध्यम से आप कहीं पर भी वो पूरा का पूरा पैसा जो है आप कहीं पर भी उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ शॉपिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ आप कहीं रेस्टोरेंट पे जा रहे हैं, आपको बिल्स पे पेमेंट करना है, तो आप उस कार्ड को वहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हैं। बिल्कुल फिजिकल प्लास्टिक कार्ड कंपनी इशू करने जा रही है, और इसका जो इवेंट है वो इवेंट भी बहुत ही जल्दी होने वाला है। जिन्होंने फर्स्ट लॉट में कार्ड्स बुक किए हुए हैं उनको पहले मिल जाएंगे, फिर बाद में अभी सेकेंड लॉट के लिए ओपनिंग कर चुके हैं। जिसको कार्ड को परचेज करना है, जिसको कार्ड को लेना है, अप्लाई करना है, वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और ये जितना भी पैसा है, जो भी पैसा आप कमाने वाले हो, वो आपके कार्ड के ऊपर वहाँ पर दिखाई देगा, एंड सेम मनी विल बी इन योर फिजिकल प्लास्टिक कार्ड। यस, ओवर टू यू।
So, and one more thing, what will be available? You know that now you can have some cashback from your offline shopping. So you can go to AI marketing account, you put the number of your card, which you already have, just last 4 digits, you put in AI account, and then you can go to some shop, buy something, pay by this card that you have, and then upload the receipt in AI marketing. During 15 days, AI marketing will contact the shop where you were shopping and ask it, this person bought these things and it is your receipt, yes? If shop confirms, you will have your cashback after 15 days. When you will have AI marketing cards, you no need to wait with these 15 days. Because when you are paying by the card of AI marketing already knows that this transaction in the shop had place, and it confirmed the same day, the same moment. So no need to wait for your offline cashback during 15 days.
अभी एक और फैसिलिटी हम लोगों के पास ओपन हो रही है, इनफैक्ट हो चुकी है, कि आप लोग फिजिकल भी शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं और उसके माध्यम से भी आप जो है वो कैशबैक प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। जो हमारा फिजिकल जो वर्चुअल कार्ड है, उस कार्ड के जो 4 डिजिट हैं, वो कार्ड के 4 डिजिट को आपको यूज़ करना है। हमारे पास जो ऑफलाइन कैशबैक का ऑप्शन आता है, उस कैशबैक के ऑप्शन पे आपको वहाँ पर वो आपके लास्ट के 4 डिजिट आपको वहाँ पर एंटर करने हैं, और जहाँ पर भी आप शॉपिंग करेंगे, वो शॉपिंग करने के जो आपके पास जो रिसीट आएगी, वो रिसीट को आपको आपके ऑफलाइन कैशबैक के अंदर आपको अपलोड करना है। और अगले 15 दिन के अंदर कंपनी क्या करेगी, उस शॉपिंग कंपनी के पास जाके या उस मर्चेंट से कांटेक्ट करेगी कि ये पर्टिकुलर जो प्रोडक्ट परचेज किया गया है, जो रिसीट हमारे पास अपलोड की गई है, आपको रिसीट अपलोड करनी होगी हमारे ऑफलाइन कैशबैक के सेक्शन के अंदर। तो कंपनी वो रिसीट को उस मर्चेंट से क्रॉस वेरीफाई करेगी कि इस पर्सन ने आपके यहाँ पे शॉपिंग किया है कि नहीं किया है। तो जब वो कंफर्म करेंगे यस ये शॉपिंग हमारे यहाँ पे हुई है, तो कंपनी अगले 15 दिन के अंदर आपके वॉलेट के अंदर, आपके अकाउंट के अंदर वो कैशबैक का अमाउंट क्रेडिट करेगी। तो दिस विल बी वेरी गुड टूल सभी लोगों के लिए जो फिजिकल या ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग भी करते हैं, तो वो भी कैशबैक प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया ऑप्शन कंपनी ने हमारे पास दिया हुआ है। यस मैम।
So I think you understand that it will be very convenient, and to arrange this process needs really a lot of work from AI marketing and from Visa. When they signed these agreements, they started to arrange the processing between AI marketing and Visa company. All technical installations must be done. So when they were doing this, happened a technical issue that some part of system was damaged. And when this part of system was damaged, some people who are investors in the AI marketing, they got twice payments. For example, you took from your cashback $100 and you got 100 now, and next second another 100. Double withdrawals because of technical problem. When AI marketing got the situation, they stopped withdrawals. And now we see the situation that some people are very worried that there are no withdrawals, but it is just because they are fixing this small part of the system.
जब से ये वीज़ा कार्ड का जो इंटीग्रेशन चल रहा है तो वहाँ पर जो चीज़ हुआ कि कुछ टेक्निकल एरर आने की वजह से कुछ लोगों को जो विड्रॉल्स जो है वो डबल हो गए थे और कुछ लोगों के जो टॉप अप होते हैं वो भी डबल हो गए थे। मतलब किसी ने अगर $100 का विड्रॉल किया था तो उसका $100 की जगह पे $200 का विड्रॉल लग गया। तो ये कंपनी को पता चला और कंपनी ने फिर वो विड्रॉल का जो ऑप्शन है वो थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टॉप करके रखा हुआ, प्रोसेसिंग में रखा है, क्योंकि जब ये इंटीग्रेशन पार्ट कर रहे थे वहां पर कुछ टेक्निकल एरर आ गया था। और आप सभी लोगों को पता है जब टेक्नोलॉजी का काम होता है तो वहां पर टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस हो सकती है और कंपनी ने उसको रेक्टिफाई करना भी शुरू कर चुके हैं। यस मैम।
So, and a lot of people started to worry in this moment that maybe it is a scam of the company, maybe it is some problem, maybe. Why these people are worrying? Your partners, please tell to them this information. AI marketing, do not take money from one person and gives to another. Not. It was not, it is not, and it will not be like this. AI marketing doesn't mix the money of different people and give it to somebody. They do money from advertising. I will show you now some scheme how they really do it. And so tell to people, no matter new investors will join AI marketing or new investors will not come. Anyway, all of us, we have money from advertising, not from new investors.
जैसे मैडम ने बताया कि यहाँ पर हमारा जो काम करने का तरीका है वो बिल्कुल भी हर अलग जो बाकी कंपनीज हैं उससे बहुत ही अलग है। यहाँ पर हम किसी एक व्यक्ति का पैसा किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति को नहीं देते हैं, जिसको हम मनी रोलिंग बोलते हैं, वो बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पर नहीं करते हैं। हमको यहाँ पर बिल्कुल भी चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए कि अगर नए लोग नहीं जुड़े तो फिर हमको पैसे कैसे आएंगे, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। बिकॉज कंपनी को जो पैसा जनरेट होता है वो केवल और केवल एडवर्टाइजिंग के माध्यम से जनरेट होता है। जो भी सेल्स होती है उसके माध्यम से कंपनी को सेल्स जनरेट होता है, पैसा जनरेट होता है। तो यहाँ पर हम लोग किसी का पैसा किसी और को नहीं देते, नो मनी रोलिंग एट ऑल। सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ सेफ बिजनेस और ये ट्रेडिशनल ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस जहाँ पर एक्चुअल सेल जनरेट होता है और वो सेल के माध्यम से जो भी कमीशन बनता है वो कमीशन जो है वो हम लोग आपस में कंपनी हमारे को देती है, जितना भी हमारा शेयर बनता है। यस मैम।
So now I am sharing, one second, I am sharing here in your chat. I just not share it just on my screen. I will send it to all of you in your chat. This scheme, how AI marketing work. Watch on it, please, and let's discuss it together. Look, so we have this picture. We know that usually shops all over the world, offline and online shops, they do agreements with the companies which are called cashback aggregators. Really, cashback aggregators are working like advertising agencies. When advertising agency bring client to some business, the advertising agency has a reward from this business, from the shop. Yes, just agency commission. It is clear. So, and AI marketing is now working with a few shops, with a lot of shops, and with few aggregators, more than 100 cashback aggregators. So, when shop pay money to cashback aggregator because he bought their client, cashback aggregator took some part of this money for himself and he gives another money to AI marketing. AI marketing, our market bot, took some money for himself and other money paid to client or paid to investor. And here it is showed. Do you have some questions? Is everything clear with this?
किसी को कोई क्वेरी हो इसके बारे में तो पूछ सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो टेक्निकली हमको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आप में इसको कोई अगर क्वेरी है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं।
Hi Olga, this is TKL here. Could you explain the same thing through a chart or something? That will be much more easier to understand.
To share here, you mean? But
there's an option there's an option for arrow.
Yes, guys, I will try. I am trying to make it now just because the installments of my system of computer doesn't allow me to do it now. I will try to do it, but now In Zoom, I could make, but in Telegram.
Olga, do me a favor. Okay, you transfer, share the chart in the chat box. We will share it from our end, and you explain.
Yes, yeah, you can send it to me.
Yes, but I have already shared. I think I will check now. Yes. So,
yeah, I think I have got it. I think I have.
Yes,
got it.
I'll share, please, to everybody.
Yeah, I'll share it. Yeah, here it is.
Yes. So you see this picture. Upline, there are different shops. I mean online and offline shops. This violet color, yes, there are different shops. They have a contract with red ones. Red ones, there are cashback aggregators. So, and cashback aggregators and some shops, they have the contracts with AI marketing. So when somebody will go to buy something, all these participants will have commission. Guys, let me explain it on the example. For example, you are investor. You gave to AI marketing now $100. AI marketing took your $100 and went to pay it to Facebook for advertising. Yes, you know that you can advertise everything in Facebook and you need to pay for this. So, for example, in this moment, robot pays to Facebook for placement of the advertising. And let's say this robot advertises, no matter, let's say iPhone, in some special group, because it is smart robot, artificial intelligence, yes. So he advertises this iPhone, new iPhone, in some group where are people who like iPhones. So when he advertises this iPhone, definitely to the target audience, to this target audience who wants this product, when somebody from this audience will buy the iPhone, in this moment, company Apple will pay commission, okay, because they helped to sell iPhone. So company pay commission to cashback aggregator. Cashback aggregator pays commission to AI marketing. AI marketing pays this commission to you because you were investor who gave money for marketing to advertise it. So AI marketing, like we see this picture, can work with individuals, with some people, with some persons, or AI marketing can work with different bloggers, with leaders of public opinion, with different people who are involved in the internet, because any blogger can create his own referral link in AI marketing and he go to promote it to his audience. When his audience buys something, blogger will be paid from AI marketing. AI marketing will be paid from cashback aggregator. Cashback aggregator will be paid from shop. I think it is clear. And I will ask Satish, I'll send you my video in English explaining this with a lot of different details, so you can share this video to everybody as well. Okay, it is
Yes.
just for 10
Yeah,
minutes.
that will be better. That will be better. We can explain through the video itself. Yes.
So please tell to all your people, tell to your teams that AI marketing does not mix money of different people. AI marketing does profit from advertising and shares this profit with other people because they were investors. Not because of other investors, will they come, they will not, it is no matter. So to have a scam like this, like a lot of people do, like a lot of companies do, here it is not possible because it is not the question about new money coming or not coming. No matter coming or not, the advertising will be working. So the second thing I would like to tell that AI marketing is a very big group of companies. In the beginning, there were two guys, Sergey Bryaskalo, the main founder of this company. He is Ukrainian, you know, it is close to Russia, former Soviet Union. So Sergey Bryaskalo, he is the founder. Today, about AI marketing, it is just a trademark, but behind this trademark, there are three companies. One company, Wexford, is registered in Hong Kong, and Wexford really does all technical part, all trademarks, all heart of business, let's say, heart of business in Wexford. Also, they have the company in United Kingdom, which is called UDM Creators. About this, I also sent to Satish the video with all the documents from company, with all the registration numbers. You can go to the internet and you can check it at any moment when you want. So you go and you see this and share this video with everybody. Why they need another company in Great Britain? Because this company was registered not a long time ago, something like 1 year ago. And this company is responsible for internal processing. What is processing? It is when you want to send money to AI marketing or take it out. In this moment, in the system are going some payment operations, yes, some transactions. So UDM Creators is the part of these groups of companies who is responsible for internal processing. And also, they have another company which is called Zarya Limited. Zarya Limited is registered in Russian Federation because it is responsible for advertising in Russia and in other countries, CIS, around Russia, former Soviet Union. So now company has a lot of plans, bigger plans than just join Visa, join MasterCard, issue own cards. It is great news, but company has more bigger plans for future. First of all, they are launching now their labor exchange. What do I mean labor exchange? You know that we are investors, you, me, some people under you, all of us, we are investors. We are people who put money, it is one function. And second thing, that we are building team around us. Now you are building team like this. Hello, let's go to this company. You're speaking to some people. But there are another ways to bring a lot of people in the company. You can promote it via internet. Because in the internet, there are a lot of guys which are called internet marketers. The specialists in the internet marketing. They do context advertising, SMM management, social media management, targeting, the advertising for target audience. A lot of internet marketers are working globally now. And if me, like investor, if I will go find some good internet marketer, and I will tell him, promote please my link, this is my referral link, promote it please. He will promote it by his internet methods. And I will have hundreds, thousands of people under me without speaking individually to each other. So I think you understand that it is more profitable for everybody, not just to speak face to face, but also to employ internet marketers who will help you to attract more people. So AI Marketing as a company understood that from one side, we have investors who are inviting people who are bringing their own money. And on the second hand, we have the internet marketers who can help these guys. For this, they create now labor exchange. It is one platform where both groups can meet each other and can start cooperation and can work more quickly because more automatically, not just word to word, face to face, one-to-one meetings. Okay, so it is a very big project and it will allow all of us be like rockets that we can do it rapidly. The second very interesting thing what AI marketing will do in 2022, they will open artificial intelligence laboratory in United States of America. So at the date, I will ask Satish you to invite, I will send the link, on 16th of November, this Tuesday, coming Tuesday, 1 p.m. European time, we will have a big Zoom about plans for 2022. It will not be about withdrawals, about technical problems, about something. It will be definitely about plans of the company for 2022 and what exactly can we do and how we can be involved in these new processes. So all of you, you are welcome if you want to join us. So for what need they create now this laboratory? Because today our bot, marketing bot, can predict trends for 2-3 months. For example, if some people go now to the internet and they type New Year gifts, New Year tree, New Year decorations, People are looking for it now because they are thinking about New Year. So bot is analyzing this process, and the bot understands that after 1 month, Olga, which we are looking for these New Year gifts, after 1 month, she will buy it. So the robot will show to me New Year gifts, some advertising of some New Year gifts factories, maybe New Year toys factories. They will show me this advertising because they already analyzed the trend that after 2 months, I would like to buy it. Now our bot is predicting the trends, what will be bought, only for 2-3 months. But the company wants to make predictions for 2-3 years, that the market bot will predict what Olga will buy in 2025. To create this another more strong bot, they need to have a lot of people with understanding how artificial intelligence works. And for this, they create now a laboratory in the United States of America. It is the biggest plan for next year. So also you can share because it is ambitious and it opens for us another perspectives. Of course, while we are speaking now with big plans that it will be done, that and that and that, but we have the problems, and the problem are that technical support is not very quick, that sometimes we have some issues in our system, and sometimes we have some mistakes in our accounts and others. Yes, we have, and company knows that technical support is not ideal now. And in their mind, they have a plan to arrange technical support more professionally. But it will be next, not today, not tomorrow, and not even after tomorrow. Because for company, it is not priority now. For them, priority now is first to fix all payment details that everybody will be paid. Everybody will not be nervous about it. So it is one thing. Second thing, to improve robot, to create another even more artificial intelligence robot, to promote more goods, to promote more services, and to join under the label of AI marketing the most professional specialists of internet marketing sphere. So they are deeply involved in this now. Of course, the system is not very protected. That's why they ask, when you are registering, they ask just your email and just some password and CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is just single solution to make safety of the system. Of course, it is not enough. And of course, there are different people who try to crash the accounts, to steal your money. So please arrange 2FA verification from Google in your wallets that you will be safe, that money is there and that will not go. And secondly, guys, let's forgive technical support for their not ideality, because we have 35% per month on dollars. It is huge rate for deposits. If you go to different banks, if you go to banks in Russia and you put money in deposit, you will have 2-4% per year, 2-4%. But it will be ruble, Russian currency, and Russian currency is very volatile. So I think like rupee. And if you go to Cyprus European Bank and you put money like deposit, you will have 0.1% per year. Guys, we have 35% minimum per month. This is the payment for technical inconvenience. Those people who said, no, technically it is totally inconvenient and dislike it, guys, no, if you don't want 35, we cannot catch you. Satish, sorry, I forgot that you need to translate me.
You can carry on because we can have our own meeting for the translation as well, because we don't want to interrupt the flow the information you're giving us.
I wanted to tell you that technical support, it is like this now. The main advantages of this company are that very high rate of deposit for investor, 35%, it's great. It is one thing. And second thing, very important, it is a very simple entrance to the company. You don't need to you don't need to show your passport in the beginning. You don't need to confirm source of incomes for your funds, from where you have this money. You just invest it, nobody asks nothing. It is very simple. What AI marketing do? They created now the business model from two business models which were existing before. I think you know Letyshops. I will send now to Satish, to you as well. Open please this site for everybody, because we will discuss it. So Letyshops, it is just one of the sites which is working like cashback aggregator. And this site is well known. All people who want to use different bonuses, who want to use different cashbacks, they used to have. But Letyshops does not work with any investments. Letyshops, it is just site where you can go and you can have the cashback from your own shopping. That's all. But it is very good and working and a lot of years, so it is secure. And the next thing, there are a lot of investment funds. You know, globally, there are a lot of investment funds to whom you give your money and they operate in themselves. And you can just have your money back plus profit. But all operational activity is made by investment fund, and you really do not know how they made your money, how they made profit for you. What AI marketing did, they took business model of Letyshops with these cashback things, and they took the business model of investment fund, traditional one. They join it together, and they have today this super new model. So this model is working. Globally, but not all people got this information, not all people understood. So the people who are not aware about it, they start to think, maybe it is some strange company, maybe there is something bad behind it, maybe. And they sharing these doubts. So our task, like leaders now, is to provide more information about company. Company is working from May of 2017. The 2nd of May 2017, it was the birthday of the company. And in that moment, you could not even create the referral link like this. You push now 2 buttons and you have your referral link and you have your own landing. Yes, this landing, it is already a site, ready website, which you share to everybody. In 2017, the first partner of the company who joined, they had no this function, and they made their websites to promote it by themselves. We are now in more easy position, and we are really happy ones who can have all the tools in our hands and just share it with everybody. So explain to the teams that company has history, that company is increasing the quality every 3 months. They have something new. Today, this improvement, tomorrow, this improvement, after tomorrow, that improvement. So you can go and you can check it. It is not just Olga said. You can find it all yourself, and the videos I will send to you for this. But of course, on this way of improvements, they have some problems. They have some issues, but they are fixing it. So when people have this problem, for example, withdrawals are not available for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for 4 weeks, guys, I'm not worried at all, because after 2 weeks, it will be working. And during these 2 weeks, I can find this partner. I can open the country. I can create this video. I can explain you new possibility how to earn more money. I have no time to sleep and no time to worry. So please do the same. Build your teams. Share information. When people are busy, they are not worried. They are worried because they have nothing. So give them something to do, and they will not pull your nerves.
Yeah, definitely. If anybody has some question, definitely you can ask.
Satish, and while people are now thinking about their questions, I will share just 2 more numbers. On the 1st of November, the amount of people who are working with AI marketing is more than 4 million people. More than 4 million people globally are working with this company. And the website AI.marketing costs $703 million. So if you want, you can go and you can check this information on the independent sites. The cost of site is $703 million. It is just the cost of website. What it tells to us, the company has huge assets, and the company built these assets not in 1 day, but one by one. So the people who trying to compare AI marketing with some one-day company, it's not the same. It is totally different things. To my mind, AI marketing, it is something like Apple, but in the other sphere. And I am ready to reply your questions if you have.
Yeah. if anybody has questions, किसी को कोई questions है तो वो definitely can ask. अभी जैसे मैडम ने बताया कि हमारी वेबसाइट की वैल्यू भी आपको बता दी कि कितनी ह्यूज एसेट्स हैं कंपनी के पास. सो वी आर अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपनी. वी आर अ वेरी फ्यूचरिस्टिक कंपनी. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के माध्यम से हम जो एक्सपेंशन कंपनी का होने जा रहा है बहुत बढ़िया होने वाला है. और 16 तारीख को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जूम मीटिंग होने वाली जिसके अंदर कंपनी का फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या क्या है, कंपनी क्या क्या करने चाहती है आगे, वो सारा का सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पर मिलने वाला है. सो अभी अगर किसी को कोई क्वेरी है तो डेफिनेटली आप पूछ सकते हैं. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट धनंजय कदम ऑल्सो टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड यू कैन आस्क एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस.
Guys, while you are thinking on your questions, I tell you that in your chat AI Marketing India, I am sending now these 2 videos which I have promised. And 16th of November, this Tuesday, 1 p.m. European time, we will have a big meeting about plans. And also in these videos, I shared the channels where people discuss their achievements in AI. When they achieve something, when they create some specific scheme, when they earn more, they share how they did it. So you are very welcome to join this chat. I have sent it here as well. And
Yes.
ask all the questions and communicate with people globally who are very happy with the AI marketing.
Yes, Sunil sir, any questions? Dhananjay sir, any questions?
No, I think it is going very good and we are very excited. And from my side, there is no question. I am very excited. Thank you.
Thank you.
Carry on. Thank you.
Dhananjay sir, anybody else?
I think carry on.
Guys, invite me more. If I will be able to share with you more information, I will.
Yeah, definitely we would like to have you maybe
About it.
after every 15 days or maybe if your time permits. I mean, because
Every
we are
week.
more, yeah, we can have more meetings with you so that we will be connected with the company, more connected with the company. And we have a lot of people from various backgrounds, a lot of technical background also. People are out here, and we would love to be associated with this company for a very long time and make our dreams come true. And I really appreciate your time that you have spent with us. And if there is any question, definitely can ask, or else I can thank Olga to come here all the way for spending her time.
Satishji, we want to see what is the madam this testimonial.
Ma'am, people are asking about your own story in Kerala, AI marketing, about your journey in AI.
Oh wow, guys!
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this question. It's just unbelievable. AI marketing changed my life. It is not just some words. I will tell you in details. Look, before pandemic, I was organizing international conferences, business conferences about different topics. We made a conference in Russia, in Cyprus, in Dubai, in Montenegro. The conferences were about real estate, about cryptocurrency, about jewelry, about solar panels, about a lot of topics. And I used to arrange these conferences globally. Usually, our conferences were 2 days, from 70 to 100 people, not more than 100. It was special rule because when there are more than 100, you cannot communicate closely. People cannot. If it is 1,000, it is stadium. No, it is football. People cannot know each other. But when there are during 2 days, they can discuss. So to bring businessmen from one country to another country, to arrange for them communication, it was my work. Very interesting work because a lot of people from different spheres. I was flying every week, 2-3 times per week. I was flying. So when somebody asking me, Olga, where did you live? I said in the airplane. Really, I don't know what to tell. So, and when pandemic happened, my business was totally crushed. I was, sorry my language, stupid enough that I did not understand that pandemic it is for a long time. I thought, maybe another 2-3 months and pandemic will finish and I'll continue to my life, everything will be okay. But pandemic didn't finish. And one by one, I spent my money, which I just had for something. And then I was in the situation that I have no plans for future. I have no business anymore. I almost of my money, and what do I need to do, or how I will develop myself. So I didn't know. And in my head, in that moment, I had 2 limitations. Now I'm smiling because it is funny to remind it to me. So first of all, I thought that multi-level marketing, it is a big shame to do it. And the second thing, I thought that nothing is existing for free in this life, because all what I did in my life, I made it myself. And I was very down, because after luxury life, when you are flying here, flying there, 5-star hotel, a lot of interesting people, and after this you just sit down without plans, without perspectives, I was very down in my mood. And I thought nothing will be for free. Multi-level marketing, I don't want even to be here, something. And at that moment, one of my Russian friends, he called me, and I was very tired. And he said, Olga, please push this link. I will give you now the link. And I was just, Maxim, I cannot. I want to sleep. I am tired. And he said, push it now. Guys, really, I pushed the buttons, what he said, just because, okay, I push all what you want, and I will go to sleep. Like this. And I made my registration in that moment in AI marketing. I didn't even understand what I do. And for what? Totally. After 2-3 days, he called me and he asked, Olga, how is your robot? Does it make money for you? What robot? How? I went and I saw that robot is making food. I didn't believe, because money is not falling from the sky, okay? And in that moment, I said, guys, no, maybe it is some interesting website, that's all. I was working on it, but I didn't. I saw some money in my account, I saw some money on my green card, cashback, but of course I didn't think that it was real money. I thought it is just some websites, some numbers, okay. But when I had my first 100 and I invested my $30, I started from the investment $30 because I was scared. I don't know company and I'm scared. When I invested my $30, it was worth it. And when I got my first 100, I sent it to my bank card, and I didn't believe even in that moment that it is true. But when I got this money, I cannot stop. Of course, I called to my mom, I called to her friend, my friend, to everybody. I started to share this $50 gift with everybody. Queue in the shop. When I go to some product to buy some shopping and I am waiting in a queue, I am speaking to somebody and give him the $50 gift. When I go to wakeboarding, you know, I like a lot of water sports, extreme water sports, and even in a swim dress, even with the wet hands, I was sharing this $50 gift to everybody. And when I saw that money is really coming, and I don't know even from whom, because people under me, they join, and I didn't control this process. I made it not like a business. I made it just because I wanted to share the best. No, if I find something good, I will share it to my friends. That's all. Because of my previous conference conference connections, I had a lot of course, a big network, a lot of people in different countries. And I am a member of 3 business clubs, BNI, Interconnections, and Win-Win. So, of course, to everybody in these business clubs. And then I saw that real big money start to come, even without me being understanding that it is business. In that moment, my limitation that multi-level marketing is bad disappeared. I don't know where. And today I am so happy just to share, really. I am sharing gifts. I am sharing possibilities. and people have another life after this. They have new hopes, they have new plans, they have cashback from their shopping. Okay, when you have cashback from shopping for $100, it is not a big deal. But when you buy iPhone and you have 10% back, when you buy furniture, when you buy expensive air tickets and you have 10, 15, 20% back, of course, people are happy and they are very grateful. So today, when somebody asking me how many hours per day you are working, I'm not working at all. But how many hours per day you are speaking about AI marketing? Well,
So see, Satishji, how much she is earning right now?
Well,
Olga,
there's a question. What is your total earning so far now?
what is the, sorry, what is what?
Your total earning you have done so far in AI marketing?
So today I have 7,743 people. It was today in the morning. In the evening I need to check because new people are joining. So there are almost 8,000 people under me from 19 countries. They are very different. Some of them invest 100 and shaking. Maybe something happened. Some of them invest 10,000 and don't worry at all, just because they tried it and they feel themselves secure. And this summertime, when we had some stop for 1 month in the summer, I invested my own on the 16th of August. I invested again. 15th of August, Evgeny Rivkin, the marketing director of AI marketing, he had a briefing and he said, guys, we fixed the situation which was in Russia. So from today you can invest. And next day morning, I woke up and immediately I invest. All people were still scared, waiting when it will be. And in the end of September, when a lot of people start, okay, it recovered, I will try to do some investments now. In the end of September, I already took my profit because I didn't wait end of September. I made it on 16th of August. Okay. So to my mind, now don't pull your energy from yourself. Don't spoil your mood. Don't wait, maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. Withdrawals will start. Now invest this time in new knowledge about internet companies, new knowledge about artificial intelligence, new knowledge about AI marketing. There are a lot of possibilities inside it. And on 16th of November, I will tell about a lot of possibilities how you can earn inside the company. So if you have now 2 weeks break with withdrawals, put it in your education in AI marketing. And when it will start, you will do even bigger business.
The question was, what is your rank now in AI marketing and what is your total earning you have done? Total income.
Rubin director. This is the Rubin director there. It is number, I will tell you, number 9.
Number 9. Yeah, you're a Ruby director. Yeah.
Yes, so here you can see all the percentages, all everything about me. You can see in this table.
In how much time she achieved that one? How much time, ma'am, you achieved that one?
And I achieved this just now, but guys, I'm in a company just from 9th of April this year. 19th of April, you understand? It is just 5 months. So it is active work. It is active work during 5 months. And 1 month, the company was stopped, you know. So yes. It is, yes, so it is nothing fantastic. If somebody would tell me before 19th of April, I would definitely say, just it's fairy tale, nothing more. But now this fairy tale happened to me. So I'm just sharing my experience.
Fantastic. So that was very, very nice, and we would definitely would love to have meetings every week with you if you have if your time permits, and we'll get more and more people. This was the first meeting we had with you, and we had just invited a very few people, those who are very, very serious and they want to start with AI marketing. Since we also have working with some other company, and this is an additional source where we would like to explore out here, and we feel this platform will definitely help our people, and definitely we will ask you more questions. Yes.
Yes, of course, we plan different meetings, but I will share more. I'm happy that people joining our channel now, and I will share more information, more videos, because I want that when we will come, that we will be on the same level of understanding, on the same level of the information. Because when everybody understood the same, it is interesting to speak. When one came and he asked, I have $50, what should I do? And another said, I'm a diamond director, what should I do? Between them, communication is very difficult. I will tell you just one let's say, life hack, what you can do in AI marketing. In AI marketing, there are different airlines. You know, if you go, you can check. There are some airlines, and they will have even more. What I mean, you can have airline tickets, okay? So if you have travel agencies, think about them, please, how they work today. If you go to some travel agency and tell them, guys, I would like to buy a ticket, they sell you a ticket, then they send this money to airline company, airline company pays them commission to travel agency. It's okay. My mom has travel agency, so I know how they are working. So they are working like this. Travel agency sold to you, let's say for 1,000, some air ticket for $1,000, sold to you, paid this 1,000 to air company, and got from air company 100 commission. It is their normal activity. But what they can do now, they have a receipt confirming that they paid to air ticket, to air company. They can upload these receipts and get extra commission from AI marketing. So yesterday, the travel agency took just from air company 10%, and that's all. Tomorrow, if you tell him about AI marketing, he will have 10% from air company as always, and another 8% from AI marketing. He will have totally not 10%, but 18% income. From your 1,000, he will get not 100, he will get 180. It is almost twice his income. And to join AI marketing is totally free. When you will tell about it to travel agencies, they will be happy, they will pray on you. Yeah. So now don't lose time, run to different companies and tell them, guys, it is one thing. Another thing, there are a lot of shops which are not now on the AI market. But you see, for example, it is popular shop. You can go to this shop, you can tell him you want to join AI marketing. You will have 4 million customers. You put some shop on this AI marketing, and then you share information about AI marketing to the customers of this shop. Of course, the customers of this shop, they will be under you, and your team is growing very quickly. Like this, we have a lot of life hacks, and for this, we need to have another meetings and discuss it all.
Yes. It's an ongoing process now, because lots and lots of information is going to come out. And I think we are almost 1 hour, and I really thank you for your precious time, for the valuable information you have given to us. And definitely we'll have a meeting again the coming week. I hope if you have time, we can either a week or maybe every 15 days, we can have a meeting with you.
We will plan it,
yeah. And then I promise you there'll be a big number of people coming up in the next meeting.
Sure.
I really promise you that.
Sure.
And any questions, definitely I'll pass it on to you if there are any queries or something. And I really thank you once again from the bottom of my heart, as well as all the team members, those who have come here, all the leaders, those who have come here. And once again, thank you very much for giving your time. And I think we'll have to wind up this meeting today, and hope to see you next time very soon.
Thank you very much for invitation, guys. Thank you for interesting questions. See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you very much.
सभी लोग, मैं चाहूंगा कि 10 मिनट के अंदर आप थोड़ा सा सारांश बता दो जिनको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आई हो, अगर हो सके तो. We only 10 minutes.
Yeah. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्होंने बताई यहाँ पर। जैसे अभी रिसेंटली उन्होंने बताया कि हम लोग जो है ना जो शॉप ओनर्स होते हैं या कोई जैसे एक एयरलाइन कंपनी का उन्होंने एग्जांपल दिया कि आप किसी एयरलाइन कंपनी के पास जाके आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ में ज्वाइन कीजिए। जैसे आप किसी एयरलाइन किसी टिकट को आप बुक करते हैं तो आपको एयरलाइन कंपनी की तरफ से अराउंड 5-10% आपको कमीशन मिलता है, राइट। लेकिन आप उस कस्टमर को जो टिकट देते हैं तो उस व्यक्ति से आप सपोज $1,000 ले रहे हैं तो एयरलाइन कंपनी को आप $1,000 देते हैं और उसके बाद में जो है वो एयरलाइन कंपनी जो है वो आपको 10% कमीशन देती है। लेकिन वही रसीद जो आपने पेमेंट करी है टिकट बुक करके जो आपने किया हुआ है, वही रसीद अगर आप एआई मार्केटिंग के वेबसाइट पे अगर आप अपलोड करते हैं आपकी आईडी के थ्रू, तो एआई मार्केटिंग की तरफ से भी उसको कमीशन जाने वाला है। मतलब जहां पर उसको 10% मिलता है वहां पर उसको एडिशनल 8% एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा, मतलब वो 18% कमा सकता है। तो ऐसे जितने भी शॉपकीपर्स हैं हमारे आस पड़ोस के अंदर, उनको भी हम लोग टाई अप कर सकते हैं एआई मार्केटिंग के अंदर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। वो केवल अपनी बिजनेस को, अपने दुकान के बारे में हमारे वेबसाइट के ऊपर डालेंगे, पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन डालेंगे और अपनी दुकान के अंदर वो एआई मार्केटिंग के बारे में भी कुछ एडवर्टाइजिंग करेंगे, ताकि लोग भी जब वो एआई मार्केटिंग के ऐड देखेंगे, वहां पर कुछ पोस्टर्स देखेंगे, तो वो लोग भी अपने एआई मार्केटिंग के कार्ड के द्वारा भी परचेस कर सकते हैं, तो उनको भी एक एडिशनल डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है। तो ये विन विन सिचुएशन रहेगा दोनों की तरफ से, मतलब बिजनेस उनको भी जाएगा, बिजनेस हमको भी मिलेगा और कस्टमर को भी कैशबैक मिलेगा। तो एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज यहाँ पर उन्होंने बताई है। दूसरी चीज है 16 तारीख को बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डे है और बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन वहां पर, नए इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाले हैं जिसके बारे में कंपनी का फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या क्या है, कंपनी क्या करना चाहती है आके, वो सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन वहां पर दिया जाएगा। आप लोगों के सामने वो लिंक शेयर करेंगे। साथ ही साथ बीच में जो टेक्निकल इश्यूज आ रही थी वो टेक्निकल इश्यूज भी अब ऑलमोस्ट सॉर्ट आउट हो चुकी है उनकी, और जिनके जो विड्रॉल्स रुके हुए थे वो विड्रॉल्स का भी ऑप्शन जो है वो कंपनी क्या कर रही है, जिसके भी पेंडिंग विड्रॉल है वो उनके अकाउंट में कल रात से ही वो डाइवर्ट करना शुरू कर दिए। वो उनके वॉलेट के अंदर पैसा दोबारा आ जाएगा और आते 2 हफ्ते के अंदर, कमिंग 2 वीक्स में जो है वो दोबारा से लोग अपना विड्रॉल कर सकते हैं। तब तक सिस्टम जो है पूरी तरह से जो भी प्रॉब्लम था वो ग्लिच है वो ग्लिच फ्री रहेगी और लोगों को काम करना और भी आसान हो जाएगा। और जब से ये वीजा या मास्टर कार्ड जब भी आएगा तो क्या होगा कि जो आज बैंक ट्रांसफर होने में जो समय लगता है, आपके कार्ड पे पैसा आएगा, फिर वो कार्ड से आपको विड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, फिर वो इधर बिटकॉइन में जाता है या आपको अगर दूसरे कंट्री में अगर हैं तो आपको बैंक में लेना है, इथेरियम में लेना है। तो वो समय जो है ना, जिसमें 24 to 48 आवर्स का समय जो लग रहा है, वो समय जो है वो बिल्कुल बचेगा। वो तुरंत पैसा आपके कार्ड के अंदर आ जाएगा और उस कार्ड से आप कहीं पर भी उस कार्ड को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। एनी शॉपिंग कहीं पर भी आपको कुछ खरीदना है वो कार्ड से पे आप परचेस कर सकते हैं। वो फिजिकल कार्ड जो लोग अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। अभी आप लोग के अपना केवल केवाईसी करके आप अपने कार्ड को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और मे बी 2022 में जो है वो फिजिकल कार्ड्स भी हमारे पास डिलीवर होना शुरू होने वाले। तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं और उन्होंने जो कुछ 2 वीडियोस भेजे हैं वो 2 वीडियोस को हम देखेंगे, स्टडी करेंगे और कोई क्वेरी होंगी तो हम लोग डेफिनेटली हमारे ग्रुप के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे।
सर वन क्वेश्चन सर, one question Satish sir.
Yes.
Yes sir, for market review I share one question. Is it possible to top up minimum $50 instead of $100? Because in India there is situation is not easy to everyone to invest $100 top up. So it is my request, the minimum top up from $100 to $50 sir.
अगर आपने जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अगर आपने देखा होगा ना जो अपनी साइट के अंदर, तो उसके अंदर क्लियर कट मेंशन किया हुआ है। द फर्स्ट जो भी हम डिपॉजिट करते हैं दैट इज मिनिमम $100 एंड द फर्स्ट विड्रॉल जो भी हम करने वाले हैं वो दैट इज ऑल्सो मिनिमम ऑफ $100। उसके बाद में आप जो है मिनिमम $10 भी री इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं या $10 भी विड्रॉल ले सकते हैं। तो दिस इज नॉट क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज नॉट अ चीप बिजनेस एक्चुअली, क्योंकि इसमें आपको जो आदमी $100 स्पेंड कर सकता है ना वो आपके लिए बहुत सीरियस होगा और वो अपने जैसे ही लोगों को लेके आएगा। आप जब $50 का अगर आप बताओगे ना आगे तो लोग बोलेंगे नहीं $25 का रहेगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली करूंगा। 25 वाला बताओगे तो बोलेंगे नहीं $10 का रहेगा तो मैं करूंगा। तो अपने आप को नीचे डाउनग्रेड मत कीजिएगा। जो है वो कंपनी का रूल है, कंपनी के हिसाब से काम को चलना पड़ेगा। कंपनी विल नॉट वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू अस। अब पैंडेमिक जो है, पैंडेमिक जो सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं सभी लोगों के लिए है, राइट। तो आगे डिसीजन लेता है वो आगे बढ़ेगा। या
Okay, second time onwards, minimum $10 fee deposit or
Yeah.
withdrawal होगा.
यस
Yes,
यस
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes, yes, yes.
okay, okay.
And
और
I
जब ये
will
कार्ड
like
सिस्टम हो
to,
जाएगा ना, कार्ड सिस्टम जब शुरू हो जाएगा तो आपको किसी क्रिप्टो में कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी, आप सीधा INR में पेमेंट कर सकते हैं। वीजा या मास्टर कार्ड के साथ में जब होगा ना तो आप डायरेक्टली कार्ड से पेमेंट कर सकते हैं INR के अंदर।
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
I will like to ask DK ji, if you are free, can you speak 2 words? DK, I think he's busy. दूसरा सतीश जी, कल थोड़ा सेशन बड़ा रहेगा और टाइम यही रखें या आधा घंटा पहले कर लें, क्योंकि कल हम लोग आइडियो की काफी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है लोगों को लगाने के लिए कि कैसे लगेगी आइडिया, तो कल स्पेशली टेक्निकल रहेगा और शॉर्ट में प्लान रहेगा कि आईडी कैसे लगानी है आपने।
हाँ, we can do that. We can start at 5 o'clock and we can end at 6:30.
7 o'clock.
6:30 या 7 तक, 5 बजे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 2 घंटे का सेशन हम लोग करेंगे। 3-4 टॉपिक्स के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे। एक तो जो है कि आईडी रजिस्टर कैसे करते हैं, गिफ्ट कोड कैसे हम लोग अपलोड करते हैं, एंड देन जो है टॉपअप कैसे करते हैं, तो ये चीजें हम लोग कवर करेंगे।
हाँ, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को लेके आइए। टीम जितनी जल्दी बड़ा कर लेंगे उतना ही बड़ा आपको बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है। मैडम ने 5 महीने में ये रैंक हासिल किया, आई थिंक 5-6 महीने में।
अप्रैल में उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था।
हाँ,
तो एक और रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा, आप जब किसी को ज्वाइन करते हैं ना तो प्लीज अपना रेफरल लिंक किसी के साथ में शेयर मत करें, बिकॉज जो नया बंदा है उसको AI मार्केटिंग के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है, कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, कैसे टॉपअप करना है, कैसे गिफ्ट कोड जनरेट करना है, वो कुछ भी पता नहीं है। वो केवल आपको ही उनसे केवल आपको उनका जो है वो नाम और उनका ईमेल आईडी लेना है और आप उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन करके देंगे, ताकि वो जो बंदा ज्वाइन करेगा ना उसको करेक्ट $50 का बेनिफिट मिलेगा, वो आपके डायरेक्ट में लगेगा। प्लेसमेंट आप अपने हिसाब से लगा सकते हैं। और मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे बीच में आज मेरे अपलाइन मिस्टर बाबूलाल वर्मा जी हैं, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि वो कुछ 2 शब्द आप लोगों के साथ में रूबरू करें। मिस्टर बाबूलाल वर्मा जी। बाबूलाल जी।
हेलो।
यस सर, वेलकम सर।
हाँ सर, आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बाबूलाल वर्मा फ्रॉम कोल्हापुर, महाराष्ट्र। ये सिस्टम मैंने मई से स्टार्ट किया था, जिसमें अपने इंडिया के अंदर ये पूरा लॉकडाउन वगैरह था, इसके लिए बढ़ा नहीं। हेलो।
यस सर, बोलिए सर, कैरी ऑन सर।
हाँ सर, ये सिस्टम में मैं मई से स्टार्ट किया मैंने भी, और सिस्टम को समझने में मुझे 1 महीना भर लगा, लेकिन सिस्टम इतना सीधा और सरल है कि हर एक आदमी समझ सकता है। एक बार आपने कर लिया तो आप आराम से समझ जाते, कोई भी डिफिकल्टी नहीं है। टॉपअप करना हो, न्यू आईडी लगानी हो, कुछ भी करना हो, एकदम सब इजी है। और इसका कोई भी आपको इंक्वायरी करनी हो तो सीधा आप इनका जो AI मार्केटिंग का खुद का जो है इनमें टेलीग्राम एड्रेस, वहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो। आपको हर चीज़ वहाँ से रिप्लाई मिल जाती है 24 घंटे के अंदर।
सर आपकी टोटल अर्निंग बता सकते हैं, और कैसा लगता है आपको ये पर्टिकुलर जो मीटिंग का शेड्यूल इनिशिएटिव हम लोगों ने जो लिया है, क्योंकि हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं तो बड़े पैमाने पे हम लोग करने वाले हैं और हमने शुरू कर भी दिया है। आपको क्या लगता है सर? आपका तो सपोर्ट डेफिनेटली मेरे पास तो सपोर्ट तो है ही है सर। शुरू से जिस दिन से अब काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, आपका बहुत बहुत सपोर्ट है। और बाबूलाल जी ने मुझे बाइनेंस में कैसे टॉपअप करवाना है, वो मुझे लाइव डेमो जो है वो यूट्यूब से, एक बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट मैं आप सभी लोगों को बता देता हूँ। मैंने कैसे सीखा, जब मैंने उनको ईमेल आईडी दिया, मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो मुझे कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन भेजेंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरा आईडी वहां पर रजिस्टर किया और मुझे बोले अब ज़ूम ओपन करो। मैं आपको बताता हूं कैसे कैसे साइट ओपन करती है, और ये सेम टेक्निक आपको भी करनी है। आप पहले अपना आईडी रजिस्टर करो, अपने अपलाइन से पूछो मुझे अपना आईडी कैसे ओपन करना है बताइए। जूम के ऊपर हो या टेलीग्राम के ऊपर हो, ये आप सीखिए कैसे आईडी ओपन करते हैं और नया आईडी कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं, किस ऑप्शन में क्या क्या है। ये आप लोग जो है ना लाइव सीखेंगे तो ही जल्दी आप सीखेंगे और अपने लोगों को भी सिखाएंगे। और जो प्रोग्रेस ओल्गा जैसे लेडी ने किया हुआ है एज ए लेडी, पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में होने के बाद भी, जैसे हमारे राकेश शर्मा जी है, अप्रैल से उन्होंने भी, मेरे ख्याल से फरवरी या मार्च से उन्होंने भी शुरू किया था, वो भी आज
फरवरी से स्टार्ट किया।
हाँ, फरवरी से स्टार्ट किया, तो वो भी रूबी डायरेक्टर है। हाँ, तो उनको बोनस ही अराउंड $50,000 का तो बोनस आ गया, तो आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कितना पैसा इन्होंने कमाया है। इट इज नॉट
कल आईडी लगाना सिखा देंगे ना, जितने लोग बैठे हैं सबके पास 10-10 आईडी है, कम से कम 10-10 20-20 आईडी है।
सर आप उनका सिर्फ ईमेल एड्रेस ले लीजिए, नाम तो आपको पता है ये पार्टी का, ईमेल एड्रेस ले लीजिए और आप कभी भी फ्री हो मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए, मैं आपको पूरा लाइव दिखा दूंगा ओपन करके जूम पे।
जी थैंक यू।
कभी भी आपको किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो कभी।
हाँ, आज मैंने भी लोगों को जूम पे सिखाया है और हम चाहते हैं कि इस सेशन में अगर हम सबको सिखा देंगे तो सब बड़े कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे।
हाँ, कल तो हम लोग लाइव ट्रेनिंग देखेंगे, कल तो लाइव ट्रेनिंग रखेंगे। आईडी कैसे लगाते हैं?
सतीश जी, टाइम इज नॉट परमिटिंग अस।
Yes, we have another meeting. Yes.
सतीश सर,
हाँ
सतीश सर,
बोलिए।
मंडे को आज मेरा 500 बोनस अचीव हो गया है।
Congratulations
सर, कांग्रेचुलेशंस सर।
थैंक यू सर। और मंडे को आप उसका वीडियो बनाएंगे कि कैसे बोनस विड्रॉल करते हैं।
फैंटास्टिक सर, फैंटास्टिक, मुबारक हो सर।
अच्छा थैंक यू सर, आपकी बदौलत
आपके
से
आपके पीछे हम चल रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट मंथ हम भी अचीव करेंगे सर।
जरूर सर। सिर्फ सर 100 के लिए टाइमिंग लगता है, सिर्फ 100 आपका हो गया, 500 आपका अपना दिन में हो जाएगा।
सर 100 कितने दिन पहले हुआ था सर आपका? 100 दिन कितने दिन पहले हुआ था?
100 अभी 15 दिन पहले 10 दिन पहले
10 दिन पहले हुआ था 100, और देखिए 10 दिन के अंदर वो सीधा $500 का टर्नओवर बोनस अचीव हो गया।
बोनस आ गया।
डेफिनेटली वी विल डू इट, डेफिनेटली।
$4,000 के लिए उनको समय लग गया, लेकिन 4,000 से $8,000 होने के लिए 10 दिन के समय में हो गया।
जी राइट सर।
Yes. So this is the power of AI marketing.
चलिए ठीक है
सर। हमने तो पिछले 1 महीने तक पूरी वेबसाइट के इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग दोनों बंद देखी थी, लेकिन सब फिर भी ये चल गई, लोगों को दे दिया बराबर, सिस्टम वापस अपग्रेड हुआ, डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं थी। अब की बार तो अपना इनकमिंग तो आ ही रहा है, पैसे ले रही है कंपनी, वापस अपना काम चालू है, सब कुछ, सिर्फ विड्रॉल नहीं आ रहा है, बस इतना ही काम है। और वो भी क्यों हो रहा है कि कार्ड के कारण से, कार्ड का काम चालू है।
तो
ठीक है सर, अब वाइंड अप करते हैं, बिकॉज़ नेक्स्ट मीटिंग हमारी है।
सभी आए हुए दोस्तों का स्वागत करता हूं, और कल हम 5:30 की जगह 5 बजे मिलेंगे और कैसे आईडी लगती है वो आपको बताया जाएगा। तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ हम आपसे विदा लेना चाहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
सर अपने सबको बोलिए, सिर्फ आपने नीचे 2 या 3 इतनी आईडी लगानी है, बाकी सब उसके नीचे लगानी, ये ध्यान रखिएगा जरूर।
कल वो क्लियर करेंगे सर, पूरा कंसेप्ट कैसे हमको स्टेटमेंट स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बिल्डअप करना है, वो सब
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है सर। ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी, सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद, और कल फिर मिलते हैं हम लोग 5 बजे को। ओके।
यस सर।